Get this, Ethereum's developer scene is absolutely exploding, and the price is looking ready to follow. No joke, this is big news for anyone watching the crypto space. Let me tell you, the latest buzz is all about Ethereum's developer activity hitting an all-time record high back in the fourth quarter of 2025. Now, what does that even mean, developer activity? Simple. It's the folks, the smart minds, the builders out there working on the Ethereum network. They're creating new apps, fixing things, making upgrades, and just generally making the whole ecosystem better and more robust. When you see a surge in that kind of activity, it's a massive vote of confidence. It means people are putting in the work, innovating, and building for the future of Ethereum. It's like having a ton of construction workers on a new skyscraper. You know something big is coming. And what's coming? Well, this record-breaking activity isn't just something to talk about in isolation. It's actually fueling a major price breakout for ETH. We're talking about Ethereum's price busting through key resistance levels, which is a really bullish sign. When a crypto breaks out, it means it's moving past prices it's struggled with before, often setting the stage for a significant upward trend. The market is clearly reacting to all this innovation and growth. Right now, the smart money is looking at Ethereum targeting some serious numbers. We're seeing predictions that ETH could bounce well above $3,500 real soon. This isn't just hopium, folks. It's based on the underlying strength of the network and the insane amount of development happening. All that hard work from the developers is directly translating into real value and market momentum. It's a prime example of how fundamental growth can drive price action. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.